Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Garmin Connect to Apple Health. So first head over and launch your Garmin Connect app. And from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. If you don't have an existing account, make sure that you create one. Then here at the top left corner of your screen, click on your profile icon, then click on settings. And here, click on Connected Apps. And from the list of available apps, you can see Apple Health. Just click on it and simply click on Connect with Apple Health button. You will then be asked to grant access permissions for this. So you can simply click on Turn on All, then click on Allow. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!